So the goal here today, I don't know, I tried messing with it. What if I zoom in? There. Okay, there. So the goal today, we're gonna make my mom, this is my mom, look like me. A lot of you see her in the background of videos. She doesn't like showing herself because she's shy. This is her first video ever. She's a little nervous. She got her hair cut and colored today. It looks really nice.
Thank you to Shelby.
Shout out to Shelby.
Molly Moon.
I had you guys ask us a few questions on my Instagram, just topics to talk about. What is your mom's favorite memory of you? So what's your favorite?
Oh, goodness gracious. I have so many, so I have to see. There's so many good memories, but I mean something that's it has to do with makeup, I think would be appropriate. I remember you were like, I think 2. Yeah, you were 2. And I saw you playing with my eyeliner. Do you remember that?
No, I've never heard this story.
You were playing with my eyeliner and it was a pencil eyeliner. And I saw you and I walked by and I was like, what are you doing? And as a little kid, you get scared and you kind of looked at me in shock, and then you turned around and you had one black eye and then you had eyeliner on your lips. So, but I mean, at least you knew where I was going. I can't believe you can't remember that.
I never knew what happened.
That one was one of my favorites.
I remember putting on your pajamas and pretending I was you.
I remember you putting on my heels, but I think that one was one of my favorites.
My mom's been my mom for about 21 years now. So far, it's a great experience. I'd recommend her 10 out of 10 on Yelp.
Because that's right, you always learn with your first, right? You were the tester.
So my mom actually is the one that got me into makeup. I think I've told that story before. I hated makeup with a passion.
Oh yeah.
Growing up, well, in my adolescent years, I'd say.
Trying to get you started when you were 12.
And my mom, being the cosmetologist she is, always into beauty, making yourself look presentable, enhancing your natural features and whatnot. So she's always like encouraged me to like, oh Lynn, you should wear, what was it, mascara, eyeliner.
Oh yeah.
I didn't like anything really, I don't know, I was always a shy girl, so I didn't really like much attention brought to me like that. And I also didn't like the feeling of it.
And then remember when I took you to the Clinique counter trying to get some foundation. That was torture.
It doesn't really match. If your mom could describe you in one word, what would it be and why?
Soft.
Why?
Because you're very soft-spoken. You have a soft, tender heart.
She said vice versa, so I guess me describe my mom in one word. I'd say, okay, hear me out with this one. This laundry detergent.
Perfect.
Fabric softener.
Perfect.
Because when I smell fabric softener, it gives me like this nice, soft, like cozy, like warm feeling. That's what you make me feel.
I think you feel like a soft fabric softener.
The one that Mommy Lola uses.
Suavitel.
She has 2 kids, me and my brother. And my brother and I are pretty different.
And one thing you guys are the same is how you feel about me as far as safe mom.
My brother and I, we call my mom a safe mom. When I was in high school, my brother's still in high school now. She's very, not overprotective, but she sees what we don't see at the moment. She'd rather us not go through certain situations, so she's like, oh, let's not do that. And we, at the time, see it as a safe, like, boring, wow, you don't want to see nothing.
Like spending the night.
I never really liked spending the night at places anyway. So I did my mom's eyebrows off camera because they take a little while. I'm just gonna do what I did on my eyes using Jaclyn Hill's palette.
Ooh, I get to use it.
You haven't used it, huh?
No.
How did your mom feel about you becoming an esthetician?
Excited and surprised. You would think that if I were to be an influence on you as far as like cosmetology or skincare or anything like that, you know, like if I push it down your throat, like, oh, look at like this, oh, look at, then I'd be like, oh, of course she wanted to be an esthetician. But since I did it,
true,
and then it just came about, it was a nice feeling. It was a nice feeling. It's not a very easy industry as far as, you know, because the world doesn't see it as an important title, I guess you could say. see it as like, oh, an esthetician, anybody can be an esthetician or anybody can be a cosmetologist. But in reality, it's not just anybody. It takes a lot of work, a lot of effort and dedication. That license is just as important as a degree. So I'm very proud. I'm very proud, and I was very happy to know that you wanted to be an esthetician and that, you know, you succeeded in it. And you're such a natural. I mean, without estheticians, without cosmetologists, without nail techs, massage therapists, those are all people that make you feel good about yourself. And we need them in this world. Hats off to all your cosmetologists, estheticians, nail techs,
Milan,
massage therapists,
makeup artists,
barbers,
waxing
specialists.
Another one. That's all I get.
They're all as important.
She got her license. When did you get your license?
Oh my gosh. I
Long
would
time
say 2000?
What is the most embarrassing thing your mom has done / said to you? Wait, what was the hold on? What is the most embarrassing thing your mom has done? Oh, said to me. The one that comes to mind would be when in my sophomore year when I was at
That's funny because I was thinking the same thing.
my boyfriend at the time's house. Back to my mom being a safe mom. I wasn't allowed to hang out at my boyfriend's house. For whatever reason at the time she felt necessary. But it wasn't even my fault. My boyfriend's mom was like, oh, let's just stop by the house really quick. Mind you this, I tell my mom everything because she's brainwashed me.
I have not brainwashed
to not lie.
I just tell you that the truth always comes out no matter.
Well, I just can't lie either way. It makes me feel nauseous. So anyways, my mom had texted me, where are you? And I was like, well, can't lie. I'm at so-and-so's house. And so she comes pissed. Didn't you call his mom? I feel like you did. You called his mom.
I don't remember.
I think she called his mom and was like, oh, I'm sorry, Lindsay can't be at her boyfriend's house, whatever.
Or I think she called me and said, is it okay? Because we had to stop by, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, well, no, she's not allowed to go over to boys' house.
Whatever, but
I mean, we'll see.
What is the most embarrassing thing you have done? Or basically vice versa.
It would have to be, remember, was it 2 years ago, 3 years ago? When I told you, let's go for a bike ride? Yeah. So let's go for it. Mind you, I had, I've always tried to get Lindsay to be more outdoorsy and come on, Lindsay.
This was 2 years ago.
3 years ago. Like, come on, Lynn, let's go for a bike ride. And you're like, no, I don't want to. And I'm like, come on, it'll be fun. So I finally convinced her to go for a bike ride. And as we are out with our bikes, mind you, I think we went 3 blocks down. I started going a little faster, and that way she could get, the hint of like, okay, we're out for a bike ride, let's go.
Like an actual bike ride,
yeah,
not a stroll.
It's not like a stroll, Somehow she decides to like, F this, I'm not gonna go for a bike ride somehow. And I turned around and I don't see her anymore. What the hell, did something happen? And I, make a U-turn, go back, and I see her. She's off her bike, walking the bike back to the house. It's like, oh my gosh, really? And she didn't come back.
What's your favorite stroke song?
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh, oh my gosh, I always forget the name of it. The long one, the long song.
That's The Void's Human Sadness?
Human Sadness. Oh, that's The Void's?
Yeah.
Shoot me. And I remember always doing your makeup for your ballet recital. That it was like pulling teeth.
What was your reaction when I met Julian? And then when I came home, like how I came home.
Oh, when you sent me the picture, I was like, no way.
I sent her a text message. What did I say? It was done or done and done or something?
Done and done. I was like,
just me and the picture.
And then I was thinking for a moment, did she superimpose this? Because she's good at that. I was just like asking a bunch of questions and you're like, I can't even talk right now. And that was pretty amazing. I was very proud of you that you made one of your dreams come true. Secondly, the way you came home with the scraped knees. I'm not gonna disclose.
Look down. What was your feelings when I first started my YouTube channel? Do you think I was really gonna like follow through with it?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. I saw the talent and the passion that you had even then, and
Back
how
in
you have the same personality as Dad. That it's so easy for you to talk in front of the camera and to be yourself. And the fact that you're still consistent, amazing, because it's not easy. I know it's not easy.
It's really not.
Because, you know, you have all these elements. You have life that goes on. You have breakups that go on.
Hello.
Moments where your brother gets on your nerves, or you get on your brother's nerves, or I get on your nerves. I think only once or twice I've gotten on your nerves really bad.
Well, I'm sure in my whole life, probably more when I was like 14, 13, when you didn't let me love the love of my life when I was a freshman.
Oh my gosh. I think you hated me at that moment. You were, what, 13? You wanted to have a boyfriend already, and I was like, you know, are you ready for this?
I wasn't ready. Nope.
Mentally, emotionally, and at that time, I don't think you understood what that meant. And you just meant like, I just want this cute guy, and he likes me, and
he buys me hot Cheetos.
Which he was one of the sweetest guys.
He was probably the best boyfriend I've ever had in my life. And it wasn't even really like a thing. But shout out to you if you're still watching. Kidding.
All I remember is that we were in the dining room and you were like,
Dad even brings it up to this day.
you know, because I was like, Lindsay, I don't know. And you're like, but I love him. It's not easy being a, you know, a YouTuber or being in front of camera.
How do you feel? Are you
Well,
feeling the heat?
No, I'm saying like for you guys that, you know, you put your day-to-day activities on there. It's work.
Easy.
It's work. It's not cat videos.
Like our favorite people say. I'm sorry, I just hear her barking. Okay.
My favorite memory. Of me. I'm trying to get the question in every before. No,
wait, your favorite memory of you?
Yes. Growing up when you were little.
One that I really like to think about, it was the summertime and we were at my grandma's house. We went there a lot when I was younger. And you made us cheese sandwiches. Just like regular bread, and I think it was white bread though. And yellow cheese. And we ate it in the back and we had our shoes off.
It's also very relaxing to get your makeup done, by the way.
Especially then.
Can you imagine me got my hair done today and my makeup done? Oh, I'm dead. I remember now when you first started to do my makeup, when you first did my makeup.
I love it.
You had a very heavy hand. Remember when you would do the lid? You'd
Oh,
get it in there, then I'd feel a tickle.
Can you see yourself?
Oh my gosh.
And this is the completed look. That's okay. And this is the completed look. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment,
and subscribe. Link down in the description. Make sure to follow my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Lindsay Starbies, and visit my store at lindsaystarbies.com.
Is it recording so you can?
Yeah. Come around to the mayor's side.
Okay, the west side of the studio.
The life of the party's here.
Dang! That's so cool! Totally!
You're on camera.
Whoa! That's cool!
We were just saying that if it was you on the chair, there would be like no time for Lindsay to talk. It'd be like, you'd be like...
I'd be chatting, no, because I'm working on not over talking. I'm listening.
It's good, huh?
Pretty neat.
Thank you for watching.